Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy, Ryan Dins, and I'm here in Steamboat Springs, Colorado on a snowboard trip. Just got back from Vail, and I haven't really checked my computer in a couple days, and I see what's going on. You guys already know. Gamestop and AMC, the biggest short squeeze we've ever seen, probably. Legendary short squeeze. And what happened was a bunch of Reddit users got together and they started discussing Wall Street bets, it was called. They basically saw a lot of hedge funds shorting GameStop. And so they said, okay, we're all gonna buy, which a short squeeze is when people are shorting a stock, they want it to go down. So basically, if it keeps going up, they're forced to sell it or their options expire, and therefore that helps the price go up more. So that's exactly what happened to GameStop and AMC theaters. Now, the crazy thing that happened is Robinhood, which a lot of you are trading on, halted trading for GameStop and AMC. They didn't halt trading, they only halted buys, so you could still sell it, but you couldn't buy it. Now they made it so you could buy 10 AMC and 2 GameStop, which I don't want to get into the legality of it, but I'm pretty sure you're not allowed to do that. The SEC is now looking into Robinhood to protect retail traders. You might say, why did Robinhood do this? There's 2 reasons. One is kind of a definite reason. They didn't have enough money to pay out if it kept going up, so they needed to protect themselves. And the other thing is they may have interest in, hedge funds, some backdoor deals. We don't know about this. I don't want to speculate, I don't know, but we don't know what goes on behind the scenes. There could be something in it for them, we don't know. But this whole thing is kind of shady, it's fishy, it's the weirdest thing that happened in a long time, and we just have to see how this plays out. I'm not going to advise you on what to do here, I just want to tell you guys what the situation is. It was a internet orchestrated short squeeze, is pretty much what happened here. And a lot of people got real rich on it, especially people who bought options. Do your own research. This is normally a dividend stock investing channel. I just wanted to report on this because everyone's talking about it, so I wanted to give my 2 cents and tell you guys what's going on. Stay away from this if you don't know what you're doing. Continue to watch my other videos where I advise you on how to buy non-risky blue chip stocks, because this is basically day trading options. It's real risky stuff, and I don't advise you to do it. And that's it. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you next week. Woo!